So he just told us that this car's been sitting here since 2021.
First startup.
Bro, how do you open this? Huh. Hey, turn that shit off before I get copyrighted, yeah? I already got copyrighted once. What's up?
You want to add 10 seconds of it now? Today's the day.
Today's the day.
I pick up my car. Let's fucking go!
So, you guys might know this guy from the channel.
Yeah.
Mr. Z Pabinda. Nah, seriously. Z Panda. So, as you guys can see, this man's very excited. So, the last couple of times that this man has been on the channel, honestly for a few years now, probably like 2 years, he's only shown his 370Z Nismo. But when I go to the shop, I occasionally...
Back in like 2019, we used to hang out and I still had my 350Z.
Yeah, I stayed for like the past 2 years, 2024.
Oh yeah, fuck, my car's been down for like since 1997.
So, as I was saying, for the longest time on the channel, I've just shown his 370Z Nismo. Alright, before I get here excited, but don't kill us, damn.
I'm not even gonna make it to pick up my car.
Anyways, sometimes, occasionally, when I'm at the shop, I'll show his other car, his 350Z. It's been there for I don't know how long. And before that, it was there for even longer.
Yeah, it was at the last shop. So it's been there since they made the shop, since the shop got opened up. And then since before at the old shop, he used to... I'm just kidding.
Alright, when was the first time your car went down? Just so they can understand why you're so happy, bro.
Okay, so I bought my car, the 350Z, with like a swapped motor a long time ago. So back in 2018, it had a swapped motor that had like 130,000 miles. And so when I bought it, the car had 70,000 chassis miles. So now it has 100,000. That motor that was in there gave out at around 96,000 miles. Yeah, 96,000 miles. The timing chain was stretched from the motor being so high mileage and me abusing the crap out of it. So it gave out.
Ooh, puppy. And
I swapped in a VHR bottom end. That VHR bottom end got swapped in. So it went down November of 2020. I got my car back in February of 2020.
Next street.
February of 2021. No, 2020. Yeah.
2021. You just said November 2020.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. 2021. I got it back February of 2021. And then 2 months, like a month later, I got crashed into. And my car was down for like a month and a half, 2 months. It was at the body shop. I got it back. It lasted me 2 weeks. And I was coming back from work. And the guy that redid my heads from when my timing chain came down on my car, my valves got bent. So he redid my valves and fucked one of them up. And it's not my tuner. It's some other guy that did my heads. And so I got it back from the body shop. It lasted me 2 weeks. My valves dropped. It ruined my whole fucking engine. I had to get a whole new block. And then it fucked up again somehow during the break-in period. I think I reached 500 miles. Did the oil change. Went to go street tune it. Right before we were even able to tune it, it just randomly started like ticking. Went down again. Opened it up. Nothing was wrong with the motor. Put it back together. Knocked again. We had like no idea what was the problem. So I ended up, that was with my built motor. So I mean, damn, your channel's gonna know first. My built motor, I ended up putting that to the side. I pulled out my stock motor off my Nismo. So now the channel knows also my Nismo's down now because I pulled my stock motor out of that one to throw it in my 350Z because I'm gonna turbo my 370Z now. And I'm gonna do some other stuff to my engine to keep it from lifting the heads, and I should be good for 1,000 wheel once I boost it. So 350Z is coming back NA, gonna stay NA, and the Nismo is gonna be boosted. It's gonna have my built motor in now. So I'm gonna do something to my heads and to my motor to make it that much stronger, and we should be boosting sometime around, I want to say like summer next year. So look out for that. But I have my favorite car back. I'm not even gonna fix my Nismo, honestly. I'm gonna just let the built motor sit. All I wanted back was a 350. The only reason I bought my Nismo was because I didn't have my 350.
Trying to sell it and get an F80 like me.
Yeah,
me and Chris about to get F80.
I'll gap you in the Fusion. Okay, put this shit in sport mode. See these pedals right here, look. On this side. Right here. Jay doesn't want to smoke on this.
Show him how you open the valves.
Oh, nah, chill.
Whose is that?
It's my Hamro hat, fool. Look, signed by Hamro. Look up Hamro, who that is.
Bro has a protein shake right here.
That's how happy I am, fool.
You better drive your car home like that.
I'm gonna drive the car home back. If I came to your house with these and a Ramo Buchon, be honest, would you let me hit?
Are you talking to me or the camera?
You.
Oh, you don't even gotta bring that, my G.
That's like
That reminds me of Cabo right there.
Flashback. End of flashback.
I need one of those. They're so fun, bro. I just love hearing the freaking little turbo.
2,000 years later.
Just like that.
Shut up, fat idiot.
Who's here?
I don't know.
Damn, that's crazy seeing that car sitting and not on jack stands. I'll show it to you guys right now. And here we have Panda's 350Z. It's so crazy to see this thing on the floor, bro. For the last 2-3 years, I've seen this thing that just on jack stands. And damn, what happened to your exhaust?
I don't know. I came last weekend. It wasn't like that.
Oh, hell
No,
no.
it doesn't. That's where my old wheel.
They better reimburse you for that,
Look
my
at
G.
my fucking my tags.
2022. Damn, look at that sparkle freaking what do you call this? Toe strap? Let's see what's at the E-Class graveyard. Got a 370Z. I don't think I've ever seen this car before. Unless I'm tripping. Is that a 17-inch RPF1? Looks like it. It is 17 inches. It's pretty good. 18 in the front, 17 in the back. Whose is this car, bro? Never seen it before. Of course, Adrian's DE is here. We got this G that's been here for a long time too. I believe this is another Bill 370Z. Meech is right, I think it is. Yeah. So yeah, guys, here's Panda Z. I'm telling you guys, I haven't seen this car rolling in like 2 years. So Mr. Lin over here is saying that you don't know how to change a battery. Is that true?
Hello?
Hey, this was saying he's gonna grab your Mustang right now when you get home. You guys, check out this caliper clearance.
Hey, my brother made bacon wrap hot dog.
Barely, bro. Barely. Take a little swig of that before you drive. It'll make you drive better.
I'm gonna just drink it out of the pump when we go to the gas station right now.
Damn, bro, this shit needs a wash. Just get a detail at this point, to be honest. Oh, we gotta add them spacers.
I'm gonna have the whole car waxed.
Are you serious?
I told my uncle because I always work on his truck for free.
So he just told us that this car's been sitting here since 2021. Look at the fucking tags.
2022.
Dude, what's up with this muffler, my G?
I don't
This
know.
tip.
It needs to be heated up. I'm gonna heat it up and bend it back out. Have Adrian bend it back out because it was not like this.
For a startup.
First startup.
Everybody's coming back, huh? Nice cam. Sounds sick, huh? Sounds sick? Sounds like a C606 with a cam, huh?
Sounds like a fucking catback.
That for real, it does sound pretty dope, though. how it sounds. I should have canned mine. I probably still am in the future, but it's good for what it is now. Sounds sick though, for real.
That's my favorite car.
Oh yeah, I guess this is my tuner's new car. That's what the shop owner was telling me right now. I guess he bought a new car. Free car wash.
You need to wash too.
Make sure you wet the intake's good. Boy, bro. I honestly did not think I was gonna see this car rolling anytime soon. It's happening out of nowhere too. This thing sounds so good in person, bro. That's crazy. Seeing this foot in his E is so crazy. I think the last time he was in it, hey, did you ever drive this car after your weight loss or no? Nah, huh?
Drive it? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I did.
You did? Yeah, because I don't know if you guys know this, but he actually lost like 150 pounds, I think it was, something like that. After his weight loss. Because I don't remember seeing him in this car after like he lost all the weight.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no side skirt, no way. Oh, you lost your side skirt? Oh, you did, huh? Or the yours, huh? And your hood? No, not the hood, huh?
Not the hood. Take the harness.
So, his headlights aren't working, and it's already nighttime. I mean, it's risky, but I'd send it. How you gonna do it? Let me see how you.
You can see good.
So we got an hour drive home, and this one got headlights. Oh yeah, or tags or lights on the license plate. All he has are literally just tail lights. He was saying he probably wouldn't have done it. Low-key, I don't know if I would have. I probably would have sent it too, to be honest. Should be fine. I'm just having this food. Oh yeah, he has tinted windshield. What I'm gonna have this dude do is just follow me. Cause like I said, he does have a tail light, so we should be good. Sick ass.
Chevron, right? Yeah.
All over you, cuz that's a real Nismo.
My first E85 fill up.
And like,
There's probably dust in there, bro. There's probably spiders in that fucking tank.
This wasn't ripped. I literally just ripped right now because I took it off when I put fuel in it.
It's funny because mine ripped too.
We should kiss her now then.
We just do actually did what you had. Like realistically.
hey, that chuckle was a little
No,
weird.
I would just be more like, what the fuck? Is it really fucking hit me?